as a president, since this is your second time, ano yung mga gagawin niyo this time na hindi pa nagagawa ng ibang mga presidents?
In my term, we're going to have a business community outreach.
Oh.
That is, we are going to reach out to Qatar Financial Center,
Nice.
Qatar Media City, Qatar Science and Technology Park, na magkakaroon kami ng support group for the different startup businesses.
Oh.
Yeah, so we are going to help them. We are going to assist them so
Sa
that
financial side.
Mga startups
financial
na?
recording. I think it's a good CSR of the
That's a good one.
Filipino CPAs or accountants or PICPA that we have helped. Pangalawa din, yung PICPA mentoring program. That is my vision to really raise the bar ng mga Filipino finance professionals sa Qatar.